Well, it's Bill again, and it's Friday still. Hot dog, huh? Well, we have an eastbound Burlington Northern Santa Fe. Oh wow, one engine. How cool. Well, 2 trains in about, maybe 15 minutes or less. And we got a mixed bag. Mixed bag. Not bad with what engine can do, huh? Let's flip around. There's the end, a little short. Yeah, it's not that short, but South Dakota soybean processors. 2 of them. And locomotive 7947. Well, there's number 2 for a Friday. How fantastic is that? And he's going at a good clip too, so we might get another westbound. Who knows? I'm going to wait here until my fingers fall off. All right, everybody, take care. This is Bill, and I'm out.